The word pais, meaning milk, is traditional rice pudding or kheer prepared by Goan Hindu community during their festival, religious or other special occasions. Also known as Dudhacho pais or Tandlacho pais. Basically, this sweet is made up of rice, milk, sugar and flavored with turmeric leaf. Simply delicious, enjoy it warm or chilled. A perfect and satisfying ending to a meal. In a bowl, add 1 cup long basmati rice. Wash it twice to remove any debris or impurity. Transfer into pressure cooker with 2 cups of water and pressure cook it for about 4 whistles. Let it cool down for some time. Please click on the like, share and subscribe button. Later on, transfer into another utensil. And add 3 cups of milk, one-fourth cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, turmeric leaf for flavor. Tear it into several pieces. Let it come to boil and cook it for more 5 minutes. Once it's cooled down, it will turn thick in texture. Thank you for watching.